Hello, welcome to the African Business Engine. 7 major differences between rich Africans and poor Africans. Number 1, there is extreme wealth inequality. Now, a tiny fraction of Africans hold more wealth than the vast majority of the continent. The richest 4 to 7 Africans own more wealth than half the continent's population, while the top 5% hold vastly more than the bottom 95% when it comes to wealth. The second major difference is income and daily earnings gap. Now, the daily income of rich Africans vastly outstrips that of poor Africans, even within the same countries. So in Kenya and Uganda, for example, the richest 10% may earn more than 4 to 10 times what the poorest 10% make per day. Now, the third difference is access to education. Now, rich Africans typically have greater access to quality education, while poor Africans often struggle with barriers that affect long-term earning potential. Now, studies show that poverty correlates with lower access to quality schooling and educational resources, especially for poor and rural populations. The fourth major difference is healthcare access and outcomes. Poor Africans face greater barriers in accessing quality healthcare compared to wealthy Africans. Now, people from low-income households are less likely to access formal health services and more likely to rely on lower quality care. 5, the fifth major difference is urban versus rural opportunity divide. Urban versus rural opportunity divide. That is the fifth point. Now, wealthy Africans are more likely to be urban-based with access to infrastructure, while poor Africans often are rural-based with limited services. Now, in many African countries, rural populations, mostly poor, have far less access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities than urban populations. Now, the sixth difference is employment and job opportunities. Rich Africans often have stable, high-paying jobs or business ownership. Poor Africans are frequently in informal, insecure, or low-paid work. Now, access across many African economies, job creation lags behind population growth, leaving poor and educated youth without decent opportunities, while elites capitalize on better opportunities. Okay. The seventh difference is access to electricity and infrastructure. Wealthier Africans enjoy much higher access to electricity, broadband, and reliable infrastructure than poor Africans. Now, in sub-Saharan Africa, fewer than 10% of households have electricity. Nearly all access to electricity and these broadband services is concentrated among the wealthy, and that is in the urban populations. So guys, those are the 7 major differences between rich Africans and poor Africans. If you like this video and this video is informative, kindly click the like button, share it with your friends, click the bell icon for future notifications, and if you have something to say, leave it in the comment section and I will react accordingly. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.